Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay on February 14th. As you can see on the screen, kind of a slow day. eBay ruined my business by only letting me sell $159 worth of postcards yesterday. Everything's just ruined now. I sold $159 worth of little pieces of paper for not doing much over the last 2 months, so I'll take that any day. Let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, 18 orders, 159 bucks, nothing over on HIP. This is dealer advertising, 1942 Pontiac Streamliner Sedan Coupe. Got this, I believe, at the postcard dealer who died, and I bought out his collection from his widow. I think I took a best offer of probably $18 or $19 on this, and I believe it's going to the United Kingdom or Germany, one of those two. Next, this is Memphis, Tennessee, Goldsmith Store Restaurant, men's only, or men only. This is like men's dining room or something I saw on here. Yeah, the men's grill reserved for gentlemen only. $6.99 for that card. Next, this is California, Beverly Hills, home of Myrna Loy. Picture inset, vintage linen. I get these for a quarter in the quarter boxes. It shows all the time. They always sell for $5-6, and this one sold for $5.99. And about 3 minutes after that one sold, this one sold to another buyer, Beverly Hills, California, home of Dorothy Lamour. Picture inset, 1940s. And that also went for $5.99. And next we have Pennsylvania, 16th District Congressman John Kunkel, 1960s. I like picking up these old senators and congressmen. They always seem to sell pretty well. $12.99 for that card. It's one I've had up for quite a while. Old postcard, Tux Valentine, Cupid with Sword and Cake, Series 1, artist J. Johnson. Artist is not on here, but if you go to Tuck database and type in that serial number, actually this is looks like Series 1, you will find that this was Johnson is the one who did the artist work. I'm not sure who J. Johnson is. I'm not sure if that's male or female. I don't think that really helped sell the card. But anyway, moving on. This is another Valentine's greeting. Cupid carrying flower heart. 1909 winch back. May or may not actually be a winch, but it has the back. Someone tried to sell it for $8.50 at one time. I sold it for $6.99. Came from the dealer buyout, December of 2019. One of the videos where I find a whole big box of Valentine's Day cards. That's where this one came from. This is advertising, Norwalk, Ohio, A.B. Chase Pianos and Artistanos. I'm not sure what that is. If anybody knows what Artistanos is, leave that in the comments. And that sold for $5 on a best offer. This next one I can't show you because it's dirty. This is Postcard, French risque, man, woman, nude cartoon together in park. Let's just say it's extremely graphic. Got a whole series of these naughty cards in the dealer buyout from April of 2019. These, I think, are 1920s-ish, 30s reprints of older cards. I I probably had a dozen of these, and they sell for about $25 to $28. I think I got a best offer of $25 on this naughty card. Next is St. Louis, Missouri, the Arena 1935 linen. There's this one. $7 best offer. Next, Breezewood, Pennsylvania, Wildwood Inn Restaurant, Pennsylvania Turnpike. Probably 60s or 70s. $4.99 for that card. Next, Hummelstown, Pennsylvania, Zion Evangelical Lutheran Church. $6.99 for this one. Probably been up 7-8 years, maybe longer. Yeah, $6.99. West Virginia, this is Martinsburg, Thibault Aircraft Company, Vitro, I don't know, Corporation, 1950s, $4.99. I actually have probably hundreds of these, and I think this might have been the first one I've ever sold. $4.99, and the beautiful red background, back when they said put red in your background and it'll psychologically trigger people to bid on your stuff. Finally worked in this case. So $4.99 for that card. Another old card. This is Los Angeles, California, a lake flirtation, Westlake Park, pre-1908. Kind of rough condition. And sold for $5.99. Same buyer bought this one. This is Los Angeles, California. Daily crowds on 7th at Broadway, 1940s. I think I just sold one of these the other day. These always show up in the quarter box. Again, $5.99 for that card. And the same buyer bought this one. Also Los Angeles, California, in Everyday Street Scene on Broadway, 1921. And $8.99 for that card. Next card, Las Vegas, Nevada, MGM Grand Hotel Casino Resort. It's a continental size card. Picked this up in the auction last year for pennies and got $2.49. Actually might have been a best offer of, I don't know, $1.90, something like that. Yeah. And then last card, Montana, Strawberry Hill near Miles City, Montana. It's a real photo. Has some damage there on the left side. It's curled up there also. Looks like some water damage. And it also went for $6.99. So $159. I will take that day in and day out. So I just got to get listing and get that number up. Okay, that's it. Let me see. This weekend I'll have an update on the million cards, aviation cards I bought. I've started doing some listing, so I got a quick video on my progress there. Mostly infrastructure, what I had to do to get ready. And then the 23rd episode of the Beginner's Guide, and it's pretty much if you're sick of selling postcards and you want to sell all your cards in a lot, the best way to do that. So that's Saturday and Sunday. Those are coming out. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.